Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about the use of articles a and the in English. We use a and the to point out nouns, that is naming words. These a and the are called articles in English. Articles a and are used with single countable nouns. A is used with single countable nouns which begin with the consonant letter. Let's see what are the consonants in English. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are consonants in English. Consonants are 21 in number. Let's see the use of a car, a fish, a bag, a dog. These are single and countable. An is used to point single countable nouns which begin with the vowel letter. You know very well that there are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, U. Let's see how we use an before the words which begin with a vowel. An apple, an egg, an ice cream, an owl, and an umbrella. Article the. We know that a or an means one, but we never say a sun, a moon, a earth, and a sky. We always say the sun, the moon, the earth, and the sky. We also say the rain. Article the is used when we talk about the same thing for the second time, that is about a particular thing. For example, this is a bird. The bird is flying. Article the is used to introduce plural nouns. For example, the leaves, the clouds, and the flowers. Right? Now that we have understood the use of a, an, and the, let's see. Can we say an lion? No. A oranges? No. The sun? Yes. An aeroplane? Yes. Good. Now this is for you to complete this worksheet on a and the. Bye bye. Take care.